Alright, that is the Speedutv. Just check within short time we'll drop down the engine. So right now the engine is down. We take it out. All the way from there you see it's so empty. Look so empty. And this is the frame. This is the frame. Attachable frame. We drop together with the engine, and that is the engine there. But there is the engine. We drop it down completely. The transmission brought together with the harness wire and turbo. Everything still intact. We take them down together complete. I'll still check. We'll have to dismantle the engine and separate the engine and the transmission, so we can work on the transmission. We're gonna work on the engine, not the transmission. Transmission is still okay, just we have some issues on the engine, and right now we'll drop them together. Within short time we're gonna dismantle that transmission and we'll work on the engine, and we'll find what exactly is the problem we've been searching for. Then we're gonna fix it and return it back and get the proper sound for the engine. So that is the procedure. It takes a lot of time. It's so complicated because of the wires on the pipes, and all the components are so tight, and it has a lot of components anyway. It's so complicated, but that's so great. We've done a great job here, but we still have a lot to do more. Still have to dismantle the transmission, or separate the transmission from the engine. So we're gonna get a chance to work on the engine, and when we're done working on the engine, then we're gonna return it back to the engine room and get the car started. So that is, stay tuned, stay with us. You can take a look at the engine. That is the engine with the wires, the connectors together, the harness connector wire. There is the intake. There is the intercooler. Over there we got the fuel regulator, and over here we have the dynamo. That's the alternator. Alternator is here. You can take a look at that. And we got here the oil pump, the power steering pump. Power steering pump over here. Got that intake, alternator, power steering pump, fuel regulator, and we have the fuel here for injector.
लोग समझते हैं कि मैकेनिक सिर्फ गाड़ियों को ठीक करता है, पर कोई ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानता कि इस काम पे कभी हमारी उंगलियां कटती हैं, हाथ चलते हैं और ग्रीस और ऑयल में कपड़े डूब जाते हैं। हमारी थकान किसी को भी नजर में नहीं आती। सब किसी को बस उनका काम सही चाहिए। न टाइम पर हमारा खाना होता है, न कभी छुट्टी का दिन भर कड़ी धूप में मेहनत करने के बाद रात में यही सोचते सोचते नींद आती है कि कल से फिर वही ग्रीस, वही ऑयल, वही धूल। इन सब के बावजूद फिर भी हम उठते हैं और हर दिन दुकान पे जाते हैं, क्योंकि ये औजार सिर्फ हमारा रोजगार नहीं, ये औजार हमारी पहचान है। और बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि मैकेनिक की जिंदगी तो बहुत आसान है भाई, लेकिन भाई